At KRYTON, we believe in building better, smarter structures that stand the test of time. We have been innovating concrete waterproofing and durability solutions since 1973 with KRYTON Smart Concrete, both winning awards for innovation in construction. Our crystal technology makes concrete permanently waterproof, while Hard-Cem extends concrete's wear life. Our hardening admixture, Hard-Cem, is added to the concrete during batching to resist degradation, extending its service life by 2 to 6 times. It can be used with any mix design, air entrainment, shotcrete, inclined or vertical surfaces, and it provides abrasion resistance throughout the concrete's thickness. Decreasing installation and maintenance costs, improving quality control, and eliminating exposure to harmful silica dust make Hard-Cem an easy choice for extending the service life and durability of concrete. We help our construction partners build smarter structures that outlast and outperform those built with traditional methods. We do this with unmatched product performance, unparalleled support, and best-in-class warranties. Together, we see a bright future, and that future is built to last with KRYTON Smart Concrete.